In this lesson, we will look at how to round numbers to the nearest 10, 100 or 1000. So this lesson we will learn what is approximation. Approximation is similar but not the same. Say for example, if you're buying tiles for your floor, then you can't buy the exact tiles. So you have to find the approximate number of tiles. Then you will end up with some broken pieces left over, but they'll be near but not equal. Okay, so we sometimes, in order to operate, do something, we have to approximate it, or we have to make it nearest, then we do the operations. So now we will look at how to round a number to nearest 10. It's all about accuracy. So in here, they ask you to round to approximate 4856 to nearest tens. So what we need to do? So here, first we need to look at the tens column. You know, you learned the place value table. You know, in here 6 is the unit, 5 is the tens column, and 8 in the hundreds column. So 5 in the tens column. So we have to put a line on the right hand side of the tens column. If they ask you to round near to nearest 10, you have to put the line after the tens column. Then you have to look at the number right to the line. So here 6 is right of that line, and we need to check whether that number is 5 or more. It can be equal to 5 or it can be more than 5. So it can be 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can be more than 5. Then you have to increase the number before the line by 1. So it used to be 5. Now you change that one to 6. Now you have to fill all the numbers on the right of that line to 0. So you have to make this the right hand side 6 in the unit column to 0. So this number 4860 is the nearest 10. So if you want to buy some tiles to nearest 10 for 4856 square foot or something, then you need to round that one to 4860. If you want to round to nearest 10, that is equal to 4860. We will see some more examples. So now we will learn how to round numbers to nearest 100. So you have already learned how to round the number to nearest 10. So let's look at example. So they ask you to round 4856 to nearest hundreds now. So what you have to do? First, you have to find the hundreds column. So here 8 is the hundreds column. So you have to put the line on the right hand side of the 100 column. So put the line right to 8. Then you have to find the immediate number after the right. Immediate number right of that line is 5. So we have to check whether that number is 5 or more. So currently it is 5. Therefore you need to increase the hundreds column. So currently that is 8. You need to increase by 1. Therefore that will goes to 9. Then you have to fill all the digits right of that line to 0. So change the 5 to 0, then change the 6 to 0. So 4900 is the nearest 100 to 4856. Similarly, if they ask you to round that to nearest 1000, the same process, but you have to put the line on the right hand side of the thousands column. Here 4 is in the thousands place. So put the line on the right hand side of 4, then look at the immediate right number, that is 8, that is more than 5. Therefore increase the 4 by 5. Then look at all the right hand side numbers of that line. So 8, make the 8 to 0, make the 5 to 0, make the 6 to 0. So 5000 is the nearest 1000 to 4856. I hope you understand.